Hello guys, welcome to Pronouncist, your pronunciation guide. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word shown on the screen, night shift. Both US and UK have the same pronunciation of this word, night shift. Now read the syllables shown on the screen naturally. Night, shift, night shift. Emphasize night and blend shift smoothly. Night, shift, night shift. Emphasize night and blend shift smoothly. Night, shift, night shift. Emphasize night and blend shift smoothly. Night, shift, night shift. Practice repeatedly and you'll soon be able to say this word perfectly. The best way to practice is to repeat the syllable multiple times. The meaning of the word is work during the night. Try repeating this word several times to improve your pronunciation. We post daily videos on useful and commonly mispronounced words to help you speak clearly and confidently. Like this video and subscribe to Pronouncist for more pronunciation guides. Thanks for watching us.